Immigrant families in central Illinois face uncertainty as concerns rise over increased enforcement activity, and local groups say they want to take action now.
This as President Trump wants to make a promise and fulfill it. Kimberly Gomez shows us how one group is stepping up to make a difference.
As news of potential mass deportations in sanctuary cities like Chicago spreads, immigrant communities in smaller towns are feeling the ripple effects. Julia Albarracin, the executive director of Western Illinois Dreamers, says her organization was created to fill a critical gap in resources for immigrants in rural areas.
Western Illinois Dreamers came about because of my research on immigration. So the idea is to provide any kind of service, within our reach that helps immigrants better integrate in society.
She advises families to stay cautious and informed about their rights.
But I think the best thing that people can do is be careful, not open the door to strangers or anyone they don't know. Persons have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions about their immigration status. They have the right to speak to an attorney, although in immigration, the attorney, you have to pay for it, but we can help them secure one that would be free of charge.
Beyond personal impact, Julia warns that mass deportations could take a toll on the economy, especially in industries that rely heavily on immigrant labor.
In a potential situation of mass deportations, the economy would collapse. Immigrants provide essential labor in our country, and they're doing jobs that not necessarily another person wants to do.
To address these concerns, Western Illinois Dreamers is preparing families with legal resources and education.
We're training all our staff on these rights too, so that they can answer questions. Our legal team is working with a network of nonprofits and pro bono attorneys in the state to make sure that if some of our families are in a deportation proceeding or something like that, they get the necessary resources that they need to defend themselves.
For immigrant families in Peoria, the focus remains on staying informed, prepared, and connected to local support systems during this time of uncertainty. In Peoria, I'm Kimberly Gomez, 25 News.
And Kimberly, we'll have this story in Spanish on our website at 25newsnow.com.